Hey everyone, welcome to the City Escape. Today I'm going to be firing up the Weber Kettle and making some absolutely killer wings. I'm going to be doing these Vortex style, but instead of a Vortex, I'm going to be using the Weber charcoal baskets. At the end, I'm going to throw on some corn on the cob to go with these wings. You're going to love this recipe, so stick around. Today's recipe begins by adding a bunch of wings to a dish. And I'm going to hit those wings with some rub, and this is a local rub to my area, so you're not going to be able to find this, but you can look here at the ingredients: salt, paprika, granulated sugar, pepper, mustard, thyme, cumin, red crushed pepper, and sage. And then just sprinkle the rub all over the wings. Use one hand to mix the rub around, and use the other hand to sprinkle on the rub. And these wings are ready for the grill. To get the grill ready, I'm going to open the bottom vent wide open. And for fuel, I'm going to be using some Fogo Super Premium Lump Charcoal. This stuff burns nice and hot. So I'm going to light the chimney. I've got a couple of lighter cubes at the bottom and a full chimney of charcoal. A few minutes later, it is lit and ready to pour into our charcoal baskets. Slide the baskets to the center of the grill and add a couple of wood chunks. I've got a chunk of pecan and a chunk of mesquite. Then place on the grill grate, and then we'll place on the lid, and we want that top vent wide open as well, so this fire is nice and hot and those wings get extra crispy. Then after a minute or two, the grates are nice and hot and it's time to give them a scrape. Get any old food off of there, and this will help prevent the chicken from sticking to the grates. Next, we're going to add our wings around the perimeter of the grill grate. And I'll just fast forward through this. We'll see how many wings we can get on there. Quite a few. And then I'm going to dust the wings with the rub one last time. And then we're going to cover the grill and let these cook for about 40 to 45 total minutes. So we are about 25 minutes into it now, and I wish you could smell this. You can really smell the wings and the wood smoke. It smells so good. Let me see if I can get you a look at the wings here. That's how we're looking. Just absolutely beautiful. A sight to behold. I love it. Yeah, and off in the distance, the view's not too bad of the lake either. So we're gonna give these a few more minutes, and then yeah, take it from there. Next, I'm gonna get some corn on the cob ready for the grill. First, I'm gonna take them out of the husk. Cut them into thirds. Olive oil, garlic salt, fresh ground black pepper. Mix the corn around a little bit, and it's ready for the grill. How simple is that? And now we're about 40 minutes into the cook. And I'm going to go ahead and add the corn right to the center of the grill where it's nice and hot. And we're going to direct grill this corn for about 5 to 7 minutes. Just close the lid and keep on grilling. Of course, every minute or two, You're going to want to turn that corn, make sure it's getting cooked on all sides and not burned. Then right about at the 45-minute mark, when the chicken is cooked and the corn is done, it is time to get them off the grill and into my belly. And here we have our final dish, wings and corn on the cob, grilled Vortex style on the Weber Kettle. Grilling just doesn't get any better than this. Okay, so that is how I make Vortex wings without actually owning a Vortex. And I'm going to give these a taste. I am a flat guy, not a drumette guy. So I'm going to go with a flat first. Fantastic. Just, I mean, it's hard to beat. And cooked pretty much perfectly. The rub is nice. I've never tried this rub before. It's really good. You can taste that wood smoke in there. This is just a fantastic way to make wings, and it's fun. It's fun to look at. It makes for a great photograph. And the corn, this is my favorite way to do corn on the cob, on the grill. Just real simple, salt, pepper, olive oil. And that's it. Out of the husk. That is so good. Just a wonderful couple of things to put on the grill anytime. So easy, so delicious. If you like this video, please hit that like button and let me know what you think in the comments down below. What's your favorite way to grill wings? Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And of course, keep on grilling.